औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Viewers, onto your screen, you are watching very wonderful, very beautiful Japanese style tabletop wonderful centerpieces, which gives a eco-friendly and a wonderful sceneries look into the homes. And these are very beautiful and the lovely styles of the bonsai trees, or you can call it the bonsai sceneries, which is really very amazing and very expensive in the market. So you have a wonderful ideas into this photo stream video of these type of centerpieces. So watch the video till end. Enjoy the lovely and the incredible styles of these wonderful tabletop centerpiece ideas. And if you like one of the idea from this photo stream video, then write us in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you doesn't like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many viewers from all over the world is liking our videos and disliking our videos. And if you have any suggestions, any advices, anything else which you want to watch onto our channel, write us. Any reviews, any feedback, so that we will give you a lot of ideas and a lot of things which you want to watch onto our channel. Now you have a wonderful and the beautiful ideas, so watch the video till end. Start from the air. Watch the lovely ideas which is for everyone, everybody else. Decor Life had tried to put each and every type of idea for every kind of person which they love these type of tabletop centerpieces, which is really very expensive, really very hard working process to making them, and very nicely, very neatly and very thinly work are created by the craftsmen, by the artist. So you have an incredible type of these wonderful centerpieces, and lovely one, again very nice, very beautiful and very amazing one. Viewers, all these type of centerpieces are available in the market, and you can customize it by yourself, which you want to make, and which you make some changes. So you have incredible ideas for each and every type of um, bonsai trees, sceneries, or a tabletop centerpieces. The lovely one, incredible one, beautiful styles. Viewers, here I'm going to remind you that always watching the video till end, you have to write us that from which city and a country you are watching us, so that we will give you a lot of love and thanks from the bottom of our heart for watching us, for supporting our videos by watching our videos onto the daily basis. Viewers, if you are new onto my channel and you are not subscribed it yet, then subscribe it first. And don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Visit the channel for more interiors, decorations, centerpieces and pot planter ideas, and write us in the comment section that which thing you want to watch from the interiors, decorations, centerpieces and pot planters. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.